Today, we're going to discuss how to extract table data from a PDF file in C#. Hey, everybody, welcome back. Today, we're extracting table data from PDF files in C# using IronPDF. We'll cover three things: extracting raw text from a PDF, parsing that text into structured rows and columns, and then writing that result to a CSV file. So, before we begin, IronPDF needs to be installed via NuGet and your license key set in program.cs. Text extraction is part of the full feature set, so you'll want the key in place before testing output. So, first example, basic text extraction. We load a PDF using PDF document from file, then call extract all text on it. That returns all the text content from the document as a single string, which we print to the console. This is the starting point for any PDF text processing. Get everything out first, then decide how to parse it. For the table-specific PDF, we do the same extraction, but then split the result by new line characters. That gives us an array where each element represents one row of the table, and then from there, we can start working with the data structurally rather than as raw text blob. Within each row, we split again, this time on tab characters. Each tab-separated segment is a column value. We print those column values row by row to the console. This two-level split, new lines for rows, tabs for columns, works when the PDF was generated with that structure in place. It's definitely worth checking your source PDFs to confirm delimiter pattern before you assume tabs. So now we take it further and convert the extract data to CSV. We define two paths, the input PDF and the output CSV file. The logic lives in two methods: extract data table from PDF and write data to CSV, which keep things clean and reusable. Extract data table from PDF reads text from the first page of the PDF, splits it into lines, and then skips anything that's empty or a header row. For each remaining line, it splits on tabs to get the column values. Each parsed row gets stored as a string array inside a list. That list is your structured table data in memory, easy to iterate, filter, or pass to other methods. And then at this point, the PDF is done, and you're just working with a standard .NET data structure. Write data to CSV takes the list and then writes it to disk. And the important detail here is that each value gets quoted before writing. That quoting step is what prevents common inside cell values from breaking the CSV format. Skip it, and any data containing a column will corrupt the column structure when the file is open. So once writing completes, we log confirmation message to the console. This is simple but useful to have in place so that you know the file was actually written and where it landed. All right, so let's go ahead and run it. And the app processes and the CSV is generated. So open it, and the data maps directly to the original PDF file. Rows intact, columns in order, values properly quoted. The structure you see in the spreadsheet matches what was in the PDF, which is the whole point. One important caveat worth knowing: this approach works when the PDF contains selectable text, meaning it was generated digitally, not scanned. So for scanned PDFs, you need OCR first. IronPDF has an OCR support via IronOCR, if that's your use case. And that's it. That's the full pipeline: load, extract, parse, write, reports, invoices, data exports. Basically, any PDF with digital text and tabular structure can be processed this way. From here, you can extend it to handle multi-page tables, filter specific columns, or push the data directly into a database instead of a CSV. All right, we hope that was useful. Keep on subscribing if you like some more useful tutorials from us. And if you'd like to try out IronPDF yourself, go ahead and grab a free trial using the link in the description. Install the package, set your license key, and you'll have text extraction running in your project in no time.